So a collector had asked me about what's the best way to ship cards. I thought I'd give you guys a quick tutorial here. I'm going to ship this card. I like to use these foam pads, but I think what most sellers use is cardboard or a combination of the two. I put business cards on each side, tape this up, and right into the bubble mailer. A long time ago I had a seller just send me a card in an envelope like this, and it wasn't damaged that bad, but it made me really mad, and this is really what you don't want to do, so don't do that. Check out my store, Film Card Stars, on Amazon and eBay.